There is a great example of non-human-centered design. In Hong Kong, a highway called Island Eastern Corridor. There's a great example for this topic. This highway located along the seafront. The highway structure basically brought the nearby residents to enjoy the sea view, and also it destroyed the seafront environment. People can't easily access to the seafront and enjoy the harbor view. So some districts are located just next to the harbor, but they can't provide the nice seaside walkway for the people. Design of the road always only consider the car and also the traffic flow. Never think about the human. Human-centered design is always using in the modern society. If we design the house, we should think about how people use the house. The house planning should be suitable for the user habit. We always put the bathroom next to the bedroom and easy access. It's not make sense to locate the bathroom far away from the bedroom. Human-centered design approach always change over the time because human habit change depends on the technology change. For example, before Industrial Revolution, there's no train or car in the city, so we don't need traffic control at the crossroad. If we don't have electricity, there's no need to design power socket and also the electric cable, right? Human is the important part of the human-centered design team. If the designer always think about who to use their design and how they use it, simply to say, there's definitely human-centered designer. When we design a very small flat, we sometimes did some kind of non-human-centered design. For example, toilet is located just next to the cooking area, or we put the bed into the bedroom. We can't totally open the door. I think non-human-centered design is not working for modern project. It is so-called civilization step back. How long to have project solution? It quite depends on the project size and scale. If it is just a product, maybe few weeks can have solution. If the scale is large and complicated, the time for that solution may be counting from year to year. It's always happen, can't come to a solution. Maybe design criteria is contradicting to the restriction, or the client expectation is not making sense. Example, it's small flat, 150 square feet residential flat. The client requires designer to design a 2-bedroom. They can't do it. My favorite example of human-centered design is the bridge system in the Central. In the Central, many developers make some bridges to connect the commercial building. The road in the Central is narrow and traffic load is high, always traffic jam. That kind of bridge system obviously reduces the people walking at the ground level and help to improve the traffic jam. I think it is a good example for human-centered design.